Good day everyone, we are Group 4 and today we will discuss the geological process and features along plate boundaries. Volcanoes are one kind of feature that forms along convergent plate boundaries, where two tectonic plates collide and one moves beneath the other. This photo shows an explosion near the summit of the West Mata volcano within the Pacific Ocean. The image area is about 1.8 meters across in an eruptive zone about the length of a football field that runs along the summit.
Earthquake. The features of an oceanic subduction zone are the same as those of an ocean continent subduction zone, except that the volcanic arc will be a set of slant known as an island arc. The other plate subduction a trench, resulting in an earthquake, and the subduction when two oceanic plates converge, the denser plate will end up sinking below the less dense plate, leading to the formation of an oceanic subduction.
Volcanic island arc. An ocean convergent boundary occurs location where two oceanic plates come together and the denser plate sinks or subducts beneath the less dense plate, forming a deep ocean trench, chains of volcanoes called island arc.
Trenches are formed by subduction, a geophysical process in which two or more of Earth's tectonic plates converge and the older denser plate is pushed beneath the lighter plate and deep into the mantle, causing the seafloor and outermost crust to bend and form a steep V-shaped depression.
Mountain is a geologic continental collision is a phenomenon of plate tectonic that occurs at convergent boundaries. Continental collision is a variation on the fundamental process of subduction whereby the subduction zone is destroyed, mountains produced, and two continents sutured together.
Thank you, Miss Contemporante. And now let's talk about oceanic, continental, and I go first. After collision, the oceanic lithosphere breaks off the sinks into the mantle. The subduction zone eventually becomes inactive. The two continents become welded together.
Basaltic rocks are denser than felsic rocks. Therefore, oceanic crust is denser than continental crust. So if an oceanic tectonic plate collides with the continental plate, the denser oceanic plate is likely to sink beneath the continental plate, creating a subduction zone.
Thank you, Miss Contemporate. So now let's talk about the continental.
Earthquake. An earthquake is a trembling or shaking on the ground caused by the sudden release of energy stored in a rock beneath the Earth's surface as they subduct beneath other oceanic crust on an adjacent plate.
Subduction. When an oceanic and continental plate collide, eventually the oceanic plate is subducted under the continental plate due to the high density of the oceanic plate. Mountain is convergent plate boundaries. And here ends our discussion on the geological process and feature along plate boundaries.